Spring has arrived at Dollar Tree. I want to show you 5 things that really stood out to me that are a fantastic deal for $1.25. Plus home hacks I've never shared before. Some of them might look a little strange, but we promise they are actually easy and practical. If you feel really overwhelmed shopping at Dollar Tree, I want to share with you 2 super easy ideas. And so the first one are these little felt bunnies. You can cut these down and hot glue them or fabric glue them onto pillows. It looks so high end. I love the bunny tushes. They have amazing little Easter buckets. I love them. These are all $1.25, still a great deal. And check this out. These ones down here are some of my absolute favorites, but I like to use these as little planters. They make great gift ideas. I love putting this out every year in my home, but do you want to know what is brand new? These bunny head wreath forms. They were so cute. Run to the floral section and grab 3 packs of nautical rope. This is one of those DIYs that anybody can do. Start by wrapping your rope around the ears. I like to go from the inside to the outside for the most beautiful look. When you get to the edge of the rope, really easy. All you have to do is secure it with a zip tie. You only need 3 zip ties because you have 3 packs of rope. Once you fully wrap this around, I decided to add a little bunny butt to mine. It was so cute. I cut off the stem and then I just hot glued this on and added a bow to the top. I took some leftover sprigs and hot glued them on. Now the key to making this look high end is to add 3 going upward and 1 going the opposite direction. It's going to give it that really pretty laurel effect, and I just secured this with a dab of hot glue. And if you like this DIY, you'll definitely like this next hack. I love this product. I'm going to show you how to put together a renter-friendly way to hang up your curtains in your house. Check it out. This TikTok creator used the command version of these broom holders to secure this curtain rod to the wall. This is a miter box. Ours is really old. You can get them on Amazon though. Do you think this is gonna work, Charlie? Since the Dollar Tree sells the same version, cutting this down is gonna give you the same effect, and it was way easier than I thought. All right, let me skip to the good part. To bring this to life, you want to screw off the edge of your broom holder and attach your hooks to the wall. The sticky on this is awesome if you remember from previous videos, and I used my cell phone as a guide to make sure it was the same height and level off of my molding. Add your curtains to your broomstick, and then I put the edge over the holder, and that way it would cover it up for a nice seamless look. This looks so airy and bright in our bathroom. I can't wait to take you back in store to show you more spring DIY. I think this is my favorite thing in the line this year. They have these mini mason jars that say bunny bait. They even have one that says treats for my peeps. How cute would this look in an office? And you can put it together for under $10. I really like these bunnies. It reminds me of something that you would see at Pottery Barn, but they're only $5. And combined with some of the other smaller things, you can put something together that's really beautiful. That little treats for my peeps sign, I had to make a peep candy bar. I love peeps. Let me know in the comments down below if you like them. My favorite flavor this year from the dollar store are the cotton candy. I put them in these clear jars, also from the Dollar Tree. Everything here is. I cannot keep my kids off of this one. They love it. This is Carson's jam. It is a little dangerous having this out all the time. Oh my gosh. Why is it so cute though? You guys. I love these basket buddies. You can dress up existing baskets from here or one that's not Easter themed you already have at home. Maybe you got it from the thrift store. This is so cute. This basket is so whimsical and easy to put together, and even the basket itself is from the dollar store. We are now entering into hack territory. This is the kind of stuff that you're like, whoa, you can do that from Dollar Tree? Follow me. Run to the frame section, and I want you to grab 2 shadow box frames just like this one. I promise anybody can do this DIY. Then I want you to run to the crafters section and get some mini dowels. We are gonna make a lantern you can dress up for any season. Don't miss this. Take those frames and you're gonna rip out whatever is on the inside and grab a few dowels. I just hot glued this to the corner of the frames, although you could use super glue here if you wanted to. Then I took the opposing frame, added it on, and some more hot glue. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I was doing this project, I was kind of thinking to myself, this looks like a craft project. I'm not sure this is going to work. But once I got some spray paint on it, and then I added the handle, this is just a piece that I took off of another frame. I took some leftover flowers I already had on hand, including some eucalyptus and a hurricane vase, and I added this to the bottom. And you could really dress this up for any season. I decided to put some sand in the hurricane vase as well as a tea light candle. Another option to raise the vase up a little bit is to use a foam round on the bottom. This looks so cool in my bathroom. Let me know what you think below. It was just $5. They also have lots of wood signs that you can customize. I really like this pretty monogrammed one. I recently shared on Instagram my favorite wood piece and a quick hack with it. Check this out. This Tic Tac Toe Board from the Dollar Tree. It was $3 and we're gonna set it on fire. Check this out. Napkins from the dollar store, we have Mod Podge from the dollar store, and fire from the dollar store. It is very easy. Take the napkin that you want and lay it out, and then put some Mod Podge on the back of your wood pieces and lay it over the part of the napkin with the design that you like. I did this with all of the pieces, and once it's dry, cut it out. Then you're gonna wanna add another layer of Mod Podge on top and let dry completely. You can use a hairdryer to help expedite this process. Here's the fun part. You're gonna set it on fire. Now be sure to be safe, go outside. I have this on a cookie tin here, but it singes right to the edge to give it that really rustic look. Plus, it is so satisfying watching this happen and oddly relaxing. Look how cute this looks. You have a gorgeous Tic Tac Toe board. In hindsight, I wish I would have chosen a different napkin, but I definitely want to try this again with other designs. A brand new find at the Dollar Tree in the garden section are plant trolleys. These are great for outdoors, and they're also awesome for customizing your organization. I especially like doing this inside of pantries, so keep your eyes peeled. I took the $5 large tubs from Dollar Tree, and then I E6000 or super glued this little dolly to the bottom. And this is perfect for all of our spring toys in the garage. It's basically on wheels, so it makes it super easy for the kids to get to. In the serveware section, I love these little trays, and we're gonna combine this together to create a really cool organization for your makeup. You may remember in a previous video, I took oven covers and pearls from the Dollar Tree to make a turntable. Add this veggie tray on top of it and you have a gorgeous turntable for your makeup. I also added this candle jar in the center. I really love this one. It would be perfect on a vanity. Did you enjoy today's video? Do you want more like this? I love hanging out with you. My sweet friend, if nobody has told you, you are enough. Would you click that subscribe button? I want to catch you in the next video. And if you like this one, I got more content for you right here. Give it a click. I can't wait to see you guys soon. I love you. Some of you guys think I have this store to myself. I do not. It is the lunch hour, so we are working around people. You ready? Okay. And these kitchen towels, we can't buy them because they're gnomes. Is it okay because the gnome's a girl? Is that better for you, Charlie? Can I get this?